Previously, the ether field was used by many brilliant scientists, including Nikola Tesla, Charles Proteus Steinmetz, Sir Joseph John Thomson, Victor Schauberger, and Karl Schappler, to develop technology. The ether field theory was later dropped from physics, although the Michelson-Morley experiment was a failed experiment to confirm the existence of the ether field. Strictly speaking, ether is ruled out by political power in science. Nikola Tesla once said, "The day science begins to study non-physical phenomena, it will make more progress in 1 decade than in all the previous centuries of its existence." The non-physical phenomena Tesla referred to was ether that did not manifest in space. According to the works of today's scientists Ken Wheeler and Eric P. Dollard, space is the manifestation of ether in the form of a dielectric that loses its inertia and becomes magnetic. The ether field consists of space and counterspace combined. When the world is formed, consciousness appears, and the understanding of space is based on the non-physical perception of consciousness. The rules and properties of consciousness are quite similar to those in counterspace geometry. In other words, the structure of consciousness is quite similar to that of counterspace. Ether manifests in relation to space, and ether does not manifest in relation to counterspace. Logically, the primordial ether is the opposite of space, counterspace, and is the unmanifest source of the manifest universe. Furthermore, the expression of the ether as it radiates and decays into the world unfolds according to geometric patterns influenced by some incomparable proportions. Existing, between and beyond the mutually destructive fields of dielectric and magnetism, the plane of inertia is the region of lowest pressure, and therefore, where all life thrives. Some notable points about the ether and counterspace fields. 1/ With Nikola Tesla's statement that, "The day science begins to study non-physical phenomena, it will make more progress in 1 decade than in all the previous centuries of its existence," we can see that Tesla had a deep understanding of ether. And his cutting-edge technology is largely based on counterspace geometry. 2/ It is possible that Tesla's radio technology is applied and developed to this day based on vertical electromagnetic fields in counterspace. That means we are communicating by phone through counterspace. Radio waves, telephone waves can be established waves in both space and counterspace. 3/ Tesla's radiant energy is harnessed in electronics, including vertical and horizontal electromagnetics. When the ether field collapses into counterspace, we also have radiant energy, but it is in the form of cold electricity, meaning electricity that cools the consumed loads. Cold electricity is manifested in space, but its operation is due to the ether field, in dielectric form, collapsing into counterspace. In the blog, Searle Effect Generator, there are articles about cold electricity that you can refer to for more information. 4/ Modern mathematics, advanced mathematics from the late 19th century, including projective geometry, metric spaces, topological spaces, field theory and algebra, etc. Maybe they were developed to serve counterspace research service in ether. If you study advanced math, you may find that advanced math seems impractical, without many applications. Suffice to say, since ether was eliminated, high-end mathematics has become out of place. 5/ Tesla's legendary teleforce device is said to generate scalar waves that travel at an instantaneous speed, which means that the scalar waves generated by teleforce will travel from location A to location B in no time. Instantaneous signal transmission is only available in counterspace. Teleforce created the death ray to scare us, but it's actually the life ray set up in counterspace.